Hello, dear Anna. Good evening. Hello. Oh, I think you're. Hello, good evening. And you too, Rosie. It was nice to meeting you again, dear Anna. Oh. Hello, Rosie. Okay, how are you today, dear Anna?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, wow, good job. How about you, dear Rosie? How about you? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow.
I
I
ate three today.
Oh, wow. That's very great, my dear. How about you, dear Anna? Did you eat your dinner today?
I eat um cái này mình ăn gì nhỉ? I eat rice, beef, chicken, and vegetables.
Wow, very good. How about you, dear Rosie? What did you eat today?
I
I ate. I ate.
cheese and comic book.
Oh, but what did you eat today? My dear Rosie, what did you eat?
M- Mm, um, I am
I ate.
I eat
What did you eat today? Hmm? Did you eat rice? Did you eat rice?
yes.
Okay. How about chicken?
No.
Okay. Meat.
Yes.
Okay. Can you say it again? Can you say this one? If I ask you what did you eat, and then you will going to say, I ate rice and meat. Okay, can you say
I
this?
eat rice and meat.
Okay, again, what did you eat today? Dear Rosie, what did you eat today? Hmm? What did you eat today?
Let me see.
Again, Rosie?
I eat rice and meat.
Good job. Very good. That's right, my dear. How about you, dear Anna? Um, did did you go to school today?
No,
Oh,
I
why?
no, I no, I
No, I didn't. No, I didn't go to school today. Can you say that one?
no, I didn't go to school today.
Very good, good job. How about you, dear Rosie? Did you go to school today?
No, I didn't go to school today.
Very good, good job. That's right. Yes, you did a great job, dear Anna and Rosie. How about um what did you do before our class? Dear Anna?
I I do my homework.
Wow. What kind of homework? What homework? What homework? Dear Anna, what is the subject? What is the subject? Dear Anna, what is the subject?
I I I do my homework. Uh, it it
It's
is
it,
e
it is
math.
wow, math. Good job. That's very good, my dear. Okay, okay, can you say this one, my dear? My homework is math. Okay, again, what is the subject of your homework?
My homework is math.
Very good, good job. That's right, my dear. How about you, dear Rosie? What did you do before our class?
My watching TV.
Ooh, can you say it again? I am watching TV. Can you say this one again? What did you do before our class?
I am watching TV.
Good job. Very good, my dear. That's right. Okay. My dear, the one who can you please change your name, my dear? So I get to know you. What? The iPhone? Hello. Can you please change your name, my dear? The iPhone name? So I can get to know you. My dear, what is your name?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your name? Oh, okay. My name is Lily. Wow. Did you know on how to change your name in Zoom? Oh, sorry. My dear Lily, did you know how to change your name in Zoom? Oh, I see. Okay, my dear, first, you have to tap your screen, like right click. Do you have a mouse? My dear Lily, do you have a mouse? My dear Lily? No. Oh, okay. What did you use today? My dear Lily? Oh, okay, can you say it again? I use iPhone for my class. Can you say that one, my dear? I use my iPhone to our class. Can you say that one? My dear Lily? Okay, I go. Okay. Hello, Lily. How are you today? How are you today, dear Lily? Hmm?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, wow. How about did you eat your dinner today? You eat your dinner today?
Yes.
Okay, can you say it again? Yes, I ate my dinner today.
Yes, I eat dinner today.
Good job. Very good, my dear. How about um what is your hobby?
Play badminton and volleyball.
Oh, can you say it again? My hobbies are
My hobby are play badminton and volleyball.
good job. That's right, my dear. Very good. It was nice meeting you, my dear. My name is Teacher Erica. It was
Yes.
nice to meet you today. Yay. Okay, my dear. Um, I will going to tell to you, to all of you, that if I say that I'll pause our discussion for 30 minutes later, and you can rejoin again to my Zoom. Did you got it, my dear Anna? Later?
Yes.
Okay, how about you, dear
Yes.
Rosie? How about you, dear Rosie?
Yes.
Okay, later,
Yes.
okay? Okay. I will going to say that you can rejoin again, and then you can leave for this Zoom, and then after that, you can rejoin again to my Zoom. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so today, my dear, we will going to start our class. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I am ready. Oh, where is... Okay. My dear Anna, who is wearing a red t-shirt?
Uh,
This is Sam, my dear.
is one of the sister.
Okay, very good, good job. Very good, my dear, good job. How about, dear Anna, what color is Sam's t-shirt? This
Uh,
is Sam.
are green and red.
Okay. Okay, can you say it again? The color of Sam's t-shirts are gray, green and red. Can you say that one?
The color some are green and red.
Very good. Okay. Again, dear Anna, which people are wearing glasses?
Um, mm, mother and grandma and two sisters.
Very good, good job again. The people are wearing glasses are his two sisters, mom, and grandma. Can you say that one, my dear?
The people wearing glass are two sisters, mom and grandma.
Good job, my dear. Very good. Okay, how about you, dear Rosie, who's got white hair? This one, my dear. Who's this, my dear Rosie?
Grandfather.
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good. The one, can you say this one? The one who got white hair is his grandpa.
The one up with my hair and grandpa.
Good job, my dear. Very good, dear Lily. Okay, next. Dear Rosie. Min. Okay. How about you, dear Anna, who's wearing white shoes?
The people wearing the people grandparents are grandparents.
Ooh. Can you say it again? The one who's wearing a white shoes is Sam.
Um, is Sam's.
Good job, my dear. Very good. Okay. My dear Lily, who is wearing red and white shoes?
Is Sam.
I mean, who's wearing red and white shoes? Who is wearing red and white shoes?
One of his sister.
Good job, my dear. Very good. Okay, can you say this one? The one who's wearing red and white shoes is one of his sister.
Wear red and white shoe. One of his sister.
Good job, my dear. Very good there, Lily. Good job. Okay, next is, okay. First, my dear, dear Anna, this is our,
This is our cat.
no, I mean this one. Good job, my dear. Very good. That's right. Yes. Okay, how about you, dear Lily? This is
These
our
are out. Eat fish.
fishes.
Fishes.
Very good, my dear, because it's so many. So you have to put fishes, es, in your
Fishes.
sentence. Good job, my dear. How about you, dear Rosie? What is he saying? This is my,
This is my brother.
I mean this one, my dear. Here.
This is my dog.
Okay. Good job, my dear Rosie. Okay, how about you, dear Lily? What's this?
My favorite.
My favorite? Dear Anna?
The dog my favorite is
What's this? What do you think is he
Is
saying?
Bo.
Okay. Okay, again, chocolate is my favorite pet.
The chocolate my favorite is
Chocolate is my favorite pet. Can you say it again?
chocolate is my favorite pet.
Good job, my dear. Very good. You did a great job, dear Anna and Lily and Rosie. Yes, very good. Okay, next. Okay, my dear. Dear Anna and dear Lily and Rosie, we say this is because there is one cat. Okay? Did you get it,
Yes.
dear Anna, Lily, and Rosie?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You have to use this is if there is one cat only. And then we say these are because there are 3 fish, not one. Okay, dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good job. Okay. Again, what we will going to say if there is one cat, we say what? Dear Anna.
This is cat.
Good job.
Because
Very good.
there is one cat.
Very good. Good job. How about you, dear Lily? What we will going to say if we have 3 fish, not one? What we will going to say?
Then these are
Very good.
my fishes because there are 3 fish, not 1.
Good job. Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay. So, can you please read, my dear Rosie, this one?
The works out and my do not change for
Singular
singular of
or
more pronouns.
Good job. Very good, my dear. Okay. So you do not have to change the word our and my for singular or plural nouns. Okay. How many peoples are for singular? My dear Anna. How many people for singular?
2.
Singular? How many people? Or one only, my dear. So that is a singular. How about you, dear Lily? If it is, what is plural? How many people in the plural nouns, my dear? 2 or
Who
more?
are 2 people?
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good. Okay, that is singular or plural. Singular is he, she, and it. That is singular, my dear, of subject, singular subject. And then we, you, they, are, that is plural subject. Okay, did you get it? Yes. Okay, very good, good job, dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie. Okay, so my dear, I will going to ask you and then you have to answer it. Dear Anna, is your street long or short?
Short.
Okay, very good. How about you, dear Lily? Is your street long or short?
Is your short?
Okay, good job. How about you, dear Rosie? Is your street long or short?
Is
Long or short? Your street.
yes.
Okay, is it long or short? Okay, again. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. My dear Rosie, wait. I will going to translate. Is your street long or short? In your street, my dear, you have to choose one, long or short. You have to choose one, long or short, your street. Okay, very good, good job. Okay, it's short. Okay, next. How many, my dear Anna? Oh, again, my dear Anna, Lily, and Rosie, you can rejoin again to my Zoom. Okay? Did you get it, Rosie and Anna, Lily? Okay. You can leave and rejoin again.